Hey guys, welcome back to Little Piece of Heaven Farm. My name's Farron, and today, between our RV trips, we need to fix this gate. As you can tell, this one here lost all its wood up on top and along the side, and this one here finally pulled away from the post. So it's time to get this all tore out and build a brand new gate. Okay, all I'm going to do is duplicate my old gate. I mean, it worked well for the last 20-some years, so it should work the next 20. Got that all screwed together. Now I gotta do is get the old cattle panel off from that one there and stick it on there. I do is build another one for the other side, and then put a locking system on it. Just a simple thing, but anyhow, let's get the other side built and get that hung up. It'll be like a YouTube second. There you go, the other side's up. Now I gotta do is take the old lock system I had on the old gate, take that off, and stick it on there. Then it should be done for now. Probably have to paint this or stain this, but it's looking good. Well, here you go, all put up and got my latch on there. That'll do for now until I come up with a better latching system than that. And I'll have to paint this another day. It's getting quite late, and I'm pretty sure dinner is probably ready. Anyhow, I'll catch you back later another day when I get this painted. It's another day here. It's gonna be a nice sunny day, so I'm gonna go ahead and get this gate painted. I'm gonna paint it with the wood stain. It's kind of a deep bluish color. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this all stained up. There you go, all painted up. I'll probably put a second coat later. You don't need to see me to do that. All right, that'll do it for this video. It's a quick little project between our camping trips. On our next trip, we're gonna be heading out to Peach Beach RV Park. It's along the Columbia Gorge on the Washington side, and they have a peach orchard there. Of course, this is about mid-June, so I really doubt they'll have peaches ready to eat. But anyhow, we're gonna head out to that park there, and there's a meetup, and then we'll probably go to the Bonneville Dam and John Day Dam and some few other things to check out. Anyway, that's looking good. And when I get back from this RV trip, I'll slap another coat on that and probably redo the locking mechanism here. Anyhow, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.